welcome to our teams joining us live from Kansas City Assembly Plant and Michigan Assembly Plant. This is the Ford Truck Takeover.
Woo!
I am here with Bryce Curry, the Vice President of America's Manufacturing, and Jackie DeMarco, the Vehicle Programs Director of the F-Series truck, and Christine McGowan, the Ranger Product Vehicle Team Manager at Michigan Assembly Plant. Bryce, in America, Ford produces an F-Series or Ranger every 33 seconds. That's incredible. As you guys overseeing manufacturing, how does Ford stay number one?
Woo! So first of all, thank you for all being here. We have Kansas City Assembly watching online. A shout out to Kansas City Assembly, does the F-150 and the Transit. Shout out to Michigan Assembly, who's online, who are doing both the Ranger and the Bronco. And then here we are at the iconic Rouge Complex with DTP Dearborn Truck as well as 𝗙𝗹𝗹𝗶 doing the electric F-150. Give yourselves a round of applause, first of all. So, with respect to 33 seconds, every 33 seconds, a beautiful vehicle is coming off this line. What can you do in 33 seconds? You might be able to drink a glass of water. Maybe you could do one text. But because of our great people all around the plants, we're getting one out every 33 seconds. That's awesome. We've got the F-150. We've got the Raptor. We've got the Power Boost Hybrid. And now, on the Ranger, we have the Ranger Raptor for the first time ever in the USA.
Yes, and that is such a huge accomplishment for our manufacturing team.
So, from a manufacturing team, I go wider than that. It's our whole team, and under 𝗙𝗲𝗋𝗋, our COO, who's in the audience somewhere today, he's got the industrial system. That includes our engineering team, our purchasing team, our operations team, and working together as one, we have been able to launch this successfully. We've got 35,000 of our employees working on the F-150 or the Ranger. We've got 16 plants, 4 states making these great vehicles. It's awesome.
Awesome thing. And when you think of America, one of the first things anyone think of is obviously Ford trucks.
Americans love their trucks, and they love Ford trucks. And they love it because of the efforts that everybody in this plant and our plants online put into it. We assemble 100% of all our full-size trucks and our North American Rangers in America.
That's right. That means that every one of our employees is contributing to something major.
So today, you didn't get to see it, but at Kansas City, we recognized one of our employees, the Brancato family. And what's interesting, Joe, who works he's been there 25 years at Kansas City, his brother Jonathan, his dad started there, John, in 1968, and just 3 days ago, his daughter Stella started. That's 50 plus years focusing on F-Series, and that's what Ford family and Ford excellence is all about. So, and many of you have those same stories. We want to have not just second generation, third generation, and fourth. We want fourth, fifth, sixth generation. And with these vehicles that we're launching, it's keeping that momentum going. So again, give yourselves a round of applause.
And soon, everyone in our Ford family will have something to remember this by.
That's right. So you're going to see there's a patch that we have made. And these patches are about the Ford Truck Takeover right there in 2024. And it's a great way to remember what we're doing here and why. And it's a great way, like the Family Days, like We Are Ford that we've done a couple weeks ago, we are one doing this vision. So thank you again, and wear the patch with pride.
I know I will, because that's great. I'm going to put mine on my vest, jacket, bag, or something. Now, Jackie, I know you're all about the customer, and this launch was very amazing. Powered by all buyers, EV, hybrid, and ICE. What are some of the things that will delight our customer about our trucks?
Thanks, Courtney. Yeah, so for us on F-150, it starts with a freshened lineup across the series. Every series has a unique grille and lamps and appearance. Beyond that, we've introduced larger screens for every customer. In our available Pro Trailer Hitch Assist, this technology will back your truck right up to your trailer hitch for you. And Blue Cruise, I love Blue Cruise. But this year, we've added to our hands-free driving technology the ability for Blue Cruise to change lanes for you. Even better than that, we now have the #1 bestsellers in gas, hybrid, and electric. We give our customers the freedom to choose what works best for them. There's not another company that can say that. We are doubling production on F-150 PowerBoost Hybrid to 20%. And now we're offering the PowerBoost Hybrid at the same price as our EcoBoost model. We're very proud to give our customers the freedom of choice. So today, we're excited to share, for the first time before it airs, the new Freedom of Choice campaign video. Want to take a look?
When it comes to your truck, you can power it up 6 ways to Sunday. But if you want to get things done, start with the capability of Ford F-150. Gas, PowerBoost Hybrid, or all electric. The power is yours.
Jackie, I love how that commercial goes off-road, on the job, show the hybrid, shows the EV. Our trucks offer so many things and so many different customers. It's such an exciting time at Ford, and I know it starts with being laser focused on the customer.
That's exactly right. We're constantly thinking about what's next and what our customers need. So I'll give you an example. The new F-150 Pro Access tailgate helps provide really easy access to the cargo box. We obsess about every detail. Notice even with the box how it opens from left to right. When a driver gets out of their truck, they want quick access to their bed, so we even think about exactly how that door opens. Now today, it's not just about F-150, it's also about the Ford Ranger. And I'm happy to introduce Christine McGowan, who's the Ranger Plant Vehicle Team Manager from Michigan Assembly Plant, and she's going to talk to you about innovations on Ranger.
Thanks, Jackie. We also took a very customer-focused approach with the all-new Ranger, which is the best-selling pickup in Europe already and top-selling vehicle in Australia in 2023. Like F-150, Ranger customers get larger screens and the Pro Trailer Backup Assist for Ranger to help making backing up a trailer as easy as turning a knob. We're also giving Ranger great driver assist features like Bliss with trailer tow to monitor blind spots even while towing. And of course, one of the things we are most proud of at Michigan Assembly and most excited to offer for the first time in America is the all-new Ranger Raptor. That's right.
That's great. Thanks, Jackie. Thanks, Christine. Ford trucks have to be smart and they have to be capable. Bryce, since you came to Ford more than a year ago, you've been talking about the #1 thing we need to focus, and that's quality. Where can we see that focus in the trucks we're celebrating today?
Yeah, so it's a great point. So we are so heavily focused on quality right now. It's one of our #1 strategic priorities. And not just quality in the manufacturing, but quality in the design process, quality with our suppliers. And again, I mentioned earlier in Kumar's new organization called the Industrial System, we are focused at problem solving as a joint team in a different way than what we've done before. And what's happening now is we are focused every day and every week going and driving our initial quality and our long-term quality. And we're seeing progress. And it's early days, but we will see it move forward. And those of you who took the tour today, and will take the tour, you'll see on the line here, all the way at what we call zone control centers, the link to the quality. And on top of that, our second strategic priority is launch excellence. And so we have focused so hard on our launches to make sure that we get the quality right and we learn from other launches and from other plants. That's Big Ford acting like Big Ford, where we share all of the great knowledge we have. So we're focused on quality because we know that's what our customers need. And we're going to keep driving that to get to the best in class.
Speaking of being obsessed with quality, Jackie, you got something in your hand. Tell us what that is.
That's right. So, Courtney, this is our Blue Oval badge. For us, this is a lot more than a badge. This badge represents Ford, and it represents nearly 100 years of manufacturing excellence and innovation. And it's happened right here where you're standing on the Ford Rouge complex. When this badge goes on a truck, it tells us that that truck is built Ford tough. Being built Ford tough is a promise that nothing outworks a Ford truck. These badges, we put them through hell and back. It's amazing. We soak them, and then we freeze them in temperatures as low as minus 40 C for 4 hours at a time. We do all this to simulate about a decade of extreme use. Because if our trucks are built to last, this badge needs to be just as durable. If our trucks are going to earn the right to be called Built Ford Tough, then this badge needs to earn that same right.
All right, thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Christine. Thank you, Bryce. Thank everyone for joining us. For everyone here at Dearborn Truck Plant and everyone joining us at Michigan Assembly and Kansas City Assembly Plant, go grab some food, have some fun, and keep up all the great hard work you do every day. Thank you again, Dearborn Truck Plant, and everyone watching.
Thank you, Courtney.